off to a festival and the light is hitting it and it just shines as you go. Oh well, there you go. I don't even think I need to do anything. This is a very cute festival style. Hi. So I wanted to do something a little bit fun, and I know festival season is coming up, so I decided to get some of these DMC embroidery threads, and this is like light sensitive, so there's a bit of shine to it. I'm not sure if you could see it, but it has a bit of shine. It's a whole bunch of colors, and there are a bunch of them that are like this, where they have this shine. They're a little bit metallic, and I thought that'd be so cute if you're off to a party, off to a festival, and the light is hitting it and it just shines as you go. So I got 2 of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a cute little festival pigtails type of hairstyle that is simple, it's easy, and it's cute to do on the go. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my comb, or at least my hair, I don't even know what to call this, because this is like a comb, an edge control, whatever, something like that, something with a sharp point at the end. I'm just gonna go straight down the middle. And I'm just gonna work with half at a time. So I'm gonna work with this half first, and I'm actually gonna just take out a little bit for like a bang type of area, just so that way I have something cute kind of falling down my face. So now I'm just going to bobby pin that little part that I'm putting to the side just for a bang portion, and I'm just gonna spray my hair here so that way I can get it nice and smooth. Okay, take my brush. And you could put these pigtails that we're about to do anywhere on your head. It doesn't really matter. For me right now, I'm just gonna keep it in a low pigtail. So I'm gonna take my scrunchie. I'm just gonna brush this nice and smooth. And there you go. That's one side. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So move this bobby pin. Just trying to make sure that is even on both sides, so I don't have an uneven, like loose little bang type of thing. And I'm gonna spray the other side as well. Okay, so now that we have our 2 pigtails here, I'm just gonna mess around with this bang part so that way at least, oh well, there you go. I don't even think I need to do anything. So I have these 2 cute little bangs, and you could stop right there, but why not just have some fun? So I'm taking this embroidered thread, and just want to let you know, like, one of these is like, it's not even that much, but it's like 8 yards worth, so it'll last you for a while. I don't think you even need to buy 2. You probably could just make do with 1 if you're gonna do 2 pigtails. Okay, so I have 1. I'm gonna make it about the length of my arm. And I'm gonna do that twice. Okay, so that is from 1, and I'm just gonna do that for the other. So I have a lot of yarn left over that I could use for something else, or even to do this hairstyle again. But I have 2 of these, about twice as long as what you would think you would need. Very long. So I don't know if you can see the thread, but it's going all the way. I folded it in half, and now I'm gonna pretty much just do one of those slips where you take this part where the loop is, and then you just put it right through that loop. So I have my yarn looped up at the top, but I realized because my hair is a bit fluffy, I should actually braid this down to make it a bit easier. So I'm just gonna... And I'm just gonna grab a little rubber band, put it on the bottom, and now while it's still looped, I could just bring this around, back and forth, just crisscrossing the entire way. Okay, so it looks like this, which is kind of cool. It's really, really nice. And then when the light hits it, because these threads are like light reactive, it should add like a little bit of a cute shine to it. And I'm just gonna do the other side. And when I did it, I don't know if you noticed, I went down a bit and then I touched it up as I was going back up with the extra thread. So we're gonna just braid this down because my hair is too fluffy to just do it without braiding it. Grab a little rubber band, tie off that end. Then I'm gonna take that other piece of yarn that I had cut, fold it in half, take that loop, and just put the yarn right through it. And now I just have to crisscross all around. Okay, and this is the second one. And there you have it. This is a very, very cute festival style hair. As you can see, the thread is there. It still shines. You could use any color you want. You could even do designs in it. If you don't want to twist it around, you could braid it into it. But the twist on the outside, the crisscrossing, once again, you literally just make a loop, fold it over, and just pull the thread right through it, and it'll be able to go around. It'll be secure, and it's very easy to take out. And this one, once again, was a DMC embroidery thread, which isn't rough, and they have so many different colors that you can use. But this is a cute little festival pigtail type of style. That way you have a different bit of a pigtail going on, all while you are enjoying a party, enjoying a festival, enjoying whatever. And I guarantee you, when the lights hit you, you are just going to shine. So if you have any questions about this style, if you have any suggestions, tips, or if you want to know where I got this embroidery thread, just let me know all down in the comments below. Thank you so much, and bye.